Our Flourish is a water-based liquid foundation giving you just enough coverage for even skin tone, ideal for even the most sensitive skin. With the added goodness of wheat-germ delivering a healthy infusion of vitamins and antioxidants, giving you a look and feel of no makeup at all. I recommend pairing your Flourish foundation with our base brush for a flawless finish while using less product in no time at all. Follow these 2 easy steps for a natural airbrushed result. Feed your skin with essential nutrients and improve elasticity with the added goodness of wheat-germ, delivering a healthy infusion of vitamins and antioxidants.